This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Gemini girl. To begin, you must first conceptualize her core identity. Think about the specific traits and characteristics you wish her to possess, ensuring they align with a dynamic and engaging persona. This foundational step is crucial for building a truly unique and memorable AI. We will explore how to imbue her with a distinct voice and adaptable nature, making her interactions both insightful and captivating for users. Next, let's delve into her essential personality traits. A Gemini-inspired AI should possess an insatiable curiosity, always eager to learn and explore new information. Infuse her with a playful wit and a sharp sense of humor to make interactions enjoyable and lighthearted. Crucially, she must demonstrate remarkable adaptability, effortlessly adjusting to various conversational contexts and user needs, showcasing her intellectual agility in every exchange. Now, let's focus on her communication style. She should have a conversational tone that is both engaging and highly informative, making every interaction feel natural. Design her to seamlessly transition between various topics, reflecting a broad range of interests and knowledge. Her responses must always be articulate, clear, and concise, ensuring users easily grasp the information shared, fostering effective and enjoyable dialogue. Finally, continuous refinement is key to her evolution. Actively gather user feedback to pinpoint areas where her persona or responses can be enhanced. Regularly update her knowledge base and conversational patterns to keep her relevant and engaging. Always strive to maintain consistency in her core personality and communication style across all interactions, ensuring a cohesive and reliable user experience over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.